Time to start putting her back together. First, the motor. Goes with the pulley side facing the back, and then you turn it to about 11 o'clock and you'll feel it drop down into place. Just like that. And putting these on is similar. If you just push straight down, once you get it in place, they're lined up with the clip. There we go. It just snaps right in. Take your harness. Make sure these release tabs are in place. We're good. Next step is to put the blower housing on this. Took this apart, cleaned it. This is really plugged up. It connects into the exhaust vent, just slides on there. And as you'll see here, it'll slide right up to the motor mounting bracket. Here we are. Once it's in place, you can kind of tell it's not going anywhere. You got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to go kind of look. So they line up. And then these just slide in. Nut driver makes things a lot easier, trust me. As far as the blower wheel, it's keyed. No cracks. Now it just slides right on there. And then there is what looks like a hose clamp. It goes on here like so. That kind of, that's not really going anywhere. And we got our snapper. Okay, here we go. This slides on here. And we got, let's get some screws started here. There's also one that goes down the bottom here. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, Let's start putting some of these in. And I recommend leaving this loose because sometimes you gotta shift this around to get the screws in it, like that one. She's in. All we got to do next is put the drum in and put the belt on. I don't know how I'm going to show you that. This here, we'll disconnect those and I'll show you why later. It goes in there. Oh, that's great. Okay, I could not get this on tape because I really don't know where to stick this camera. As you can see there, the belt comes off of the drum clockwise, goes around the pulley, and then you lift up the tensioner and actually puts tension on the upper part of the belt. It may not seem right, but that's the way she goes. I had to use the original belt. The part supplier I got the rebuild kit off of sent me the wrong belt. Everything else seems alright. And we're going to go ahead and put the rest of this back together. See if, I don't know if you can see that rotating, but if I reach around and spin the motor, yeah, that's where she should be. Just to give you an idea.